just hopped on the charts. Right now I'm looking at SPX 500 5-minute demand zone. We got a minor breaker structure, and we have a gap attached to it. We just tapped into the zone, so if I get a break candle to the upside, then I'll be in for buys. The reason I like this trade, I know we're going against the trend, so that isn't very ideal, but if I go to the 4-hour, we're tapping into a 4-hour demand zone, so that the possibilities of a retracement right here is pretty high. So I'm just going to sit and see what these next few candles want to do. And yeah. Very good rejection. So this is looking really good. I just hope that we don't get the candle break on this candle, because that's going to make my take profit larger, but looks like that's exactly what's about to happen, so it's whatever. If I get order rejected, alright.
Order filled.
Stop loss underneath the green candle. Whoa. What just happened? Stop loss here. Let me zoom out. I'm not sure what the fuck just happened. And then my 1-to-1 will be at 834. So right here. Let's see if I can get the there we go. So stop loss is underneath the candle, the green candle. Take profit is up here. It's very good rejection, high momentum, high volume. I mean, this is looking pretty good. I think that if we close below this blue line right here, which I believe is the 50 EMA if I'm not mistaken, let me double check. Yeah, wait. No, that's the 13. Okay. So that's, if we close below the 13 EMA, then I'll probably be getting out early. I probably won't hold the trade, just because this is counter trend, so it's already a risky trade. I feel like either two things are going to happen right here. We're either going to drop slowly, or we're going to get an explosive candle to the upside. That's what I feel like is going to happen. It's either going to creep its way back down, or it's going to explode on like one or two candles. This just the candle. Come on, let's go. Keep going. There we go. How do I call it too, bro? I'm too good at this shit. Like, come on, bro. Called that shit. I'm getting way too good at this, bro. Like, if I had real money to put in this, I would be stupid rich. It's all good. We building our account day by day. We'll be up there one day. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. No. Bro, this trade is playing with my emotions. Wow. That looks terrible. We go from looking really good to just terrible. Oh, bro. There we go. There we go. Let me get another dub. What is that? 4 dubs in a row? 5 dubs in a row? Bro, I'm too clean at this shit. Like, I'm getting way too good. And then I upload next video, it's just lost. Nah, real talk though, I really have been just doing so good at that. Bro, win! What are we doing? Like, I'm so close. Just go. Please, go. Thank you. Go. And we can make like 30 bucks on this. I'll take it. I don't even care about the money. I just love the idea that I'm predicting where the market is gonna go. Like, I'm actually predicting winning trades back to back to back to back.
Order filled.
Take profit. $520. Let's go. We started with what? $390. $30 day. I'm taking that. So I just want to do a quick recap on this trade and why I took this trade. So let me just remove everything, and then let me rewind the charts back to what it looked like when I pulled up. So I opened my computer. The first thing that I seen was this 5-minute demand zone right here. Why did this zone catch my eye? It caught my eye because I seen a breaker structure. It had a gap attached to it. We're coming off a double bottom, okay? And then, so after seeing those confluences, I wasn't immediately like, oh, I'm gonna get in this trade. I didn't like the trade at all. I wasn't gonna take it, purely because we're just in a heavy downtrend. We got the 200 EMA above, but after doing more, after diving deeper into this setup in this zone, I went to the 15-minute, of course, first, seeing if there was a demand that we were in. We weren't. I went to the 1 hour, seeing if there was any confluences, like a 1 hour demand or anything, and we were not in a 1 hour demand. Then I went to the 4 hour, and we 4-hour demand. So that right there gave me a lot of confluence that this trade would go in my favor. Usually when you're in a higher time frame demand zone, especially a 4-hour demand zone, the possibilities of the market doing something like this before continuing back down is really, really high. Another thing that I really, really like was that we've been dropping for a really long time, and if you're into trading, you would understand that the market doesn't just go one way. It doesn't just keep dropping. It's gonna drop, then it's gonna have pullbacks, and then it's gonna continue back to the downside. So that gave me a strong conviction on this trade as far as getting into it. And yeah, that was really it. I didn't. But yeah. So what is that, like 4-5 wins in a row? I don't know. I'm on a streak right now. I'm going crazy. But we're at $520 on the account. I think we started with 390, so we're doing pretty good. 395 or something like that. We're doing pretty all right. Hopefully we can get this to 1,000. Start taking bigger trades. And yeah, that's really it for the video. Catch y'all.